How do I create a keyboard in CoughDrop? CoughDrop offers several pre-made keyboard options available to all users within the program. If you search for keyboard using the CoughDrop search feature, you will see keyboards that may fit your need. However, if you want to create your own keyboard, you can do that as well. On your dashboard, hit Create a Button from the drop-down menu or from the Actions Extras menu. Set the board title and the number of buttons for the board, and then decide if you would like this board to show word prediction as words are entered. Finally, hit Create Board. Enter the button label for each button, then tap on a particular button to edit it. By default, when a button is pressed, CoughDrop will speak the word or phrase entered on the button label. For a keyboard, you probably want each button not to speak the name of the letter on the board, but instead to add them to a composed word or phrase. You will need to add a modifier to each button so that the letters are added together to create a word rather than speaking the name of that letter. To do this, tap a button to open the button settings window and then select Sound. In the audio bar, enter a plus sign followed by the letter or number of your button. This modifier lets the program know that you want to add multiple letters or numbers together to create a word or larger number. You can have some buttons with a modifier and others which simply speak the desired word on the same speech board. To create one or more space buttons on your keyboard, you can enter a colon followed directly by the word space. Other buttons you can program to perform a function include Home, to return to your home board, Back, to move back to the previous page in the board set, Clear, to clear the entire vocalization window, Speak, to speak the composed phrase in the vocalization window, Backspace, to clear one entry in the vocalization window, and Beep, to make an audible beep sound. While you can search for an image of each letter under the picture heading of your button settings window, you can also use word art to set each letter as an image. Just hit the search button in your picture window and then hit Make Word Art and select your desired font, text size, and text color. Under the General heading on your button settings window, you can choose not to show the button label so that you do not have a label with a chosen letter as well as an image of that letter. You can use the Paint feature to color the background of speech buttons to help your keyboard stand out as separate from other buttons on the board. Be sure to save your changes when you are finished editing your board.